Mount Etna began 2026 with new lava flows and ash emissions, continuing the intense eruptive phase that made 2025 one of the most dramatic years in recent memory. This renewed increase in activity marks the beginning of what scientists predict will be a turbulent year for Europe's most active volcano. The Italian National Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology, INGV, reports that since the afternoon of the 1st of January 2026, effusive lava has been flowing from new fissures within the Valle del Bove on Etna's eastern flank. Explosive eruptions from the summit crater, including Bocca Nuova, have sent small plumes of ash into the sky, while volcanic tremor levels remain high but stable. Authorities are closely monitoring the lava flows and ash shifts, although no major damage or injuries have been reported so far. The airspace over eastern Sicily is monitoring for possible ash-related disturbances, following repeated warnings during Etna's 2025 eruption. This renewed increase in activity follows a powerful 2025 eruptive season that saw several powerful episodes, including an explosion in June that sent ash and gas plumes several kilometers high and triggered pyroclastic flows in the summit area. In late December, Etna produced towering lava plumes and thick ash clouds, while skiers continued to ski on its snow-covered slopes, images of which went viral worldwide. INGV scientists said that seismic vibrations, ground signals, and infrasound signals had increased in the weeks leading up to the summit in late December and the New Year's eruption. This pattern indicates a continued supply of magma at shallow depths beneath the volcano. Volcanologists interpret the 2026 eruption as part of an ongoing reorganization of Etna's magma conduit system, with new cracks and vents tapping into molten rock stored beneath the summit. Effusive lava flows in Valle del Bove typically pose a less immediate risk to populated areas, but they indicate that pressurized magma is still moving through the system. INGV warns that activity can quickly change from mild lava flows to more explosive events, and its monitoring network is highly alert for changes in tremors, ground tilt, and gas emissions. For residents of Sicily's east coast, Etna's catastrophic eruption in early 2026 marked a turning point in understanding that living near a giant volcano means enjoying its beauty and volatility. Mount Etna, one of the world's most active volcanoes, located on the Italian island of Sicily, is once again exhibiting intense volcanic activity. The recent eruption has reportedly formed a new crater at its summit, further changing the volcano's morphology. Mount Etna's recent activity has been characterized by lava flows, volcanic ash, and hot gases rising high into the atmosphere. Volcanologists suggest that the formation of the new crater is a result of the persistent increase in magma pressure within the volcano. This phenomenon is considered part of Mount Etna's natural cycle, although its intensity remains a serious concern. Due to the increasing volcanic ash plume, local aviation authorities have issued an orange alert for airports in the affected area. This alert indicates a potential danger to aviation, particularly as volcanic ash can impair visibility and damage aircraft engines. Some flights have been delayed, or route adjustments have been made as a precaution. The Italian government, along with volcano monitoring agencies, continues to closely monitor the situation. While there have been no reports of casualties, residents near Mount Etna's slopes are urged to remain vigilant and follow instructions from local authorities, including reporting any increased activity. Mount Etna is known for its frequent eruptions, but each new eruption still poses a significant risk to residents infrastructure, and air transportation. Experts emphasize that continuous monitoring and public preparedness are crucial to addressing this evolving natural threat.